illegality. So, hindi talaga ako good with words, kaya papakiclaim ko na. Wish ko for you, of course, is matupad mo lahat ng gusto mong matupad sa buhay and ma-achieve mo lahat ng bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve. Just know na sobrang mahal kita, and again, happy 18th birthday.
Thank you!